everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick little project. Client has supplied images with drop shadows, and what we want to do is contour the product but retain the shadows. So with this particular project I have a gradient fill, and we can recolor this by double clicking the palette here, and we will do that to suit the product. But first we have to release the background layer. Double click, we'll open that up, and we'll use the new masking feature. We can do a select subject, and it's a bit of hit and miss, but I sort of like to go in with the lasso tool and just go through and select the product manually if I can. There are other tools, so there's the quick selection tool, and just holding the shift to plus and rolling it over will select it, but it will select all the whites in that color range. So it's good in some ways, but yeah, we can finesse with the lasso tool here. So I'll just option to deselect an area, and we'll just get rid of that white. Double click to finish. Oh, shouldn't have done that. So what we want to do is remove this white, and I'll continue to finish that, and we'll be back shortly. So now I've contoured it, and what I want to do is create a mask. So we'll go to Layer, Layer Mask, Reveal All, and we will fill it with black. But we'll deselect, Command Inverse, and that will reveal and remove the background. So what we're going to do is push that up to the top. We'll duplicate it and select the mask and inverse again. So now we've got one with the shadow, one with the product, and the background. So now we've got the product on the background without a shadow. Now we have the mask, the shadow on the background. So what we need to do is click multiply. So instantly you've got the shadow combining with the main product and retaining that shadow. So what we'll do is just try and get the color to match the product, and we'll just have a bit of a play and try and get the sort of the right colors and match that up. I think that will look good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that real quick tutorial. Like and subscribe and help me grow the channel. See you next time. Thank you.